Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering the LexiX recorder and confirming storage is ready. Once done, insert a micro SD card or choose internal memory. Set the sample rate to 44, 1 kHz or 48 kHz, and pick WAV for highest quality, MP3 if space matters. Make sure the recorder's input selects the correct mic and position the capsule 6 to 12 inches from the sound source, because proximity controls clarity. Then press record to create a named session, and once recording, monitor audio with closed-back headphones so you hear clipping or noise early. Adjust the input gain until peaks sit around -6 dB. Lower gain if you see red, because clipping ruins takes. Enable the onboard limiter for unpredictable transients and add markers at important moments to speed editing later. Use pause for quick breaks and stop when finished, and make sure battery and free storage remain sufficient so your session does not end mid-take. When you finish, stop the recording and confirm the file saved with the correct name and metadata. This prevents lost takes. Export files via USB or Wi-Fi, or remove the micro SD card to copy to your workstation, and convert to MP3 for sharing or keep WAV for mixing. Organize and back up to 2 separate locations immediately. If the device won't record, check storage format, reinstall, or update firmware. Ensure the mic input is selected, and test with headphones to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.